Good afternoon, sir. Come to my stall. May I explain? My topic name is parts of rocket. The structural system is the frame that covers the rocket. It is made up of titanium or aluminum. Payload is the object that the satellite is carrying into the orbit. Guidance system guides in this rocket. Propulsion system. It takes up most of the space in this rocket. It contains a fuel tank, pumps, and a combustion chamber. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to my stall. May I explain? My topic name is water purification. Water purification refers to the process of cleaning water to make it safe for consumption. It remove uh, gains and harmful uh, cleaning water is uh, uh, cooking and mountains. They are there there are several mount there are several method of purify water. These are these are these are Thank you. My start may I explain. My topic name is types of energy. Gravitational energy. Gravitational energy is the fruit is converting gravitational energy, potential energy as it flies to the words, the earth. Mechanical energy possessed by an object with the motion and position is called mechanical energy. Light energy, we are able to see with the light energy. Gravitational energy, solar panel used gravitational energy generate electricity. Nuclear energy is as from the energy responsible energy. It is made up of nuclear energy. Thank you, sir.
Welcome to my stall. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to my stall. My topic is eye model. Eyes are over complex organs. It has many parts like pupil, retina, cornea, clear gel, wetchy eye, cyclic retina, white parts, sclera, etc. Eyes are one of the most important sense organ of the human body. We see the world with our eyes. Eyes are present in the bone socket of the skull. Therefore, it is well protected. Eyelid protect our eyes from dust particles, foreign objects, etc. The small holes in the inner corner of eyes are known as tear duct. It drains tear from eyelid. Doctors who treat eye-related disease is known as ophthalmologist. Life would have been colorless without eyes. We should take proper care of our eyes. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to my stall. My name is I'm Jay Kritikan. I'm studying 5th standard. My topic name is water dispenser machine. This machine is use this machine is this, mi- this machine is used and drinking water and and can be used without electricity power. How it works? This machine works with the help of air need when we open top of the bottle and the air goes inside the bottle, pushes water, the water and the water will come through the pipe. The top close it will not come through the pipe. Use of making this only less than three ingredients only less than three ingredients. AC need AC Yes, you need it. It can work helpful by making their work more easy. Thank you.
Morning, sir. Welcome to my stall. My topic name is kidney. May I explain? Kidney are important in the body. They are present on side of our spine. They are reddish. They are reddish brown in color. The kidney. The kidney are a pair of bean-shaped organ. The important organ in the kidney. Excretory system in the kidney. The kidneys balance the body fluid. The They are like washing machines for the blood in the body. They filter the blood and take out all the waste in the blood. The function of the kidney is to remove waste products and the excess fluid from the body. Thank you.
Sir and ma'am, come to my stall. May I explain? My name is V. Kritika. I am 5th standard A section. My topic name is mini projector. A projector is an electronic device used to show moving picture. Most projector today are video projector. They are utilized in almost all field. Made human life so much dependent and easier. New digital projector replaced old slide projector. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Come to my stall. May I explain? My topic name is lung. The lungs are the main organs of the respiratory system. Lungs are present in many animals. Humans have two lungs. The right lung is bigger than the left. The lungs together weigh approximately 1.3 kilogram. The right lungs has 3 lobes and left has 2. Lungs perform the function of respiration. They take oxygen from the air. Later, oxygen is transferred to the blood. Lungs release carbon dioxide. Thank you. One come to Mr. May explain. My topic name is mini pencil electricity light. Sharpen both ends of the pencil to expose the graphite. Add the chip. Connect the LED. Connect one alligator clip to one end of the to the other end. Attach the one clip to the positive terminal of the one side of the negative terminal. Add the LED glow. Add the LED light in the circuits. The electricity will form off through the graphite in the uh, in the LED glow. Thank you, sir. Welcome to my stall. My project name is Magnetic Concept. I made it using by scale cardboard, pa- paper cup, and safety pin thread. I'm using scale. And for holding cup. I'm inserting a magnet piece in the cup. So safety pin attract the magnet. Concept it magnetic at force attract materials like iron, cobalt, nickel without touching them. Thank you.
Ma'am, my name is Pradesh. I am 5th standard. My my topic is 3D shapes. Uh, uh, Cone, pyramid, sphere. Uh, இது வந்து cylinder, cuboid. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My project name is 4 type of farming. I cannot tell it.
Substitutional farming used by one family consisted, which method of farming is done by used modern tools and model tools and model tools and technique. Plantation farming is done in an extra mixed farming mixed farming mixed farming referred to the wearing to animals located along with the cultivated. Thank you.
Welcome to Master. Good afternoon, sir. I am Aditi. I am studying 5th standard. My topic name is Tanjar Maratha Palace. May I explain, sir? The Tanjar Maratha Palace, known locally as Aranmane, it is located in Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. The Tanjar Maratha Palace was originally constructed by the rulers of Tanjavur Naga Kingdom. The Tanjar Maratha Palace the Tanjore Maratha Palace The Tanjore Naga Kingdom, it served as the official residence of Tanjore Marathas. The Bhonsle family continued to hold on to the palace even after the last King Shivaji of Tanjavur. There is also a small bell tower. The Saraswati Mahal Library is situated with the Tanjavur Palace complex. The palace is protected by the State Department of Archaeology. Thank you.
Good morning, sir and ma'am. My topic name is escalator. My name is R. Mohit. I am studying 5th standard. My topic name is escalator. An escalator is a moving staircase. The staircase at about 30 degrees. About 30 degrees. Escalator generally carry people between floors of a building. They are seen in shopping malls and airports, etc. And escalator consisted of a motor driving chain linked to the steps. Thank you. Welcome to my stall. May I explain? My topic is solar drip irrigation. Drip irrigation conserves water. It delivers water directly to plant roots. It reduces water evaporation. Drip irrigation is efficient. It minimizes weed growth. This method saves time. It improves plant health. It reduces water. Welcome to my sir. Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. Hi. My name is Via Sabai Ganesh. I studying 5th standard. My topic is Blugapuza this year. It is the Animal Welfare Society in the Unitary Kingdom. It was established in 1897. This charity provides about betonas food cannot offer private midnight when it was established at Chennai in 1959. All services like hospital shelters, ambulance service, and the animal birth control. Thank you. Stall. Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. I am Extraction. I am studying 5th standard. My topic name is Renewable Energy Park. Energy derived from natural sources like sunlight, water, and wind. Solar panel converts sunlight into electrical energy. Energy possessed by an object due to its motion and position is called mechanical energy. Windmill convert kinetic energy of wind into electrical energy. Thank you.
Explain. My topic name is carbon purification. Carbon purification is the process that impurities from water, air, and other substance. Carbon is heated in the absence of oxygen to increases its surface area. This process is called adsorption. Uh, the activated carbon taps molecules of a solid, liquid, or gas on its surface. This process is called adsorption. Thank you.
To my stall. Good afternoon, sir. My name is K. Mugil Kavyan. My topic name is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is one of the seven wonders of the world. It is very beautiful and attractive. It is located in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Taj Mahal is situated on the bank of River Yamuna. Bank of River Yamuna. Bank of River Yamuna. Bank of River Yamuna. The Taj Mahal has lot of granaries all around it. It attracts people from all over the world to see it. The Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. It was built by Emperor Shah Jahan. The, this monument was built in the memory of his beautiful wife Mumtaz Mahal. This Taj Mahal is symbol of external love. Thank you.
Come to my stall. May I explain my topic name is heart. Heart is very important organ. It is a muscular organ. Heart is very important organ in the body. It is a muscular organ. It is the about size of a fist. It is the important organ in the blood circulatory system. The heart is a hollow muscular organ. It is conical shape. The pericardial fluid protects the heart from shock. The heart is located between the lungs. In a healthy, blood flows one way. The heart has four chambers. Thank you. Explain my topic name is sprinkler irrigation. It is a spray. It is a spray irrigation of system and also called sprinkler irrigation. It involves the application of water on the surface, cracks and soil. It requires a pump to left and under water left and water under left and water pressure. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. Come to my stall. May I explain? My topic name is state and capital. You ask me in a random manner, sir.
Maharashtra,
Maharashtra. Mumbai.
Rajasthan,
Jaipur.
Odisha,
Bhubaneswar.
Jammu Kashmir,
Simla.
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar.
Kerala,
Thiruvananthapuram.
Andhra Pradesh,
Amaravati. Welcome to my stall. I am T. Krishnan from 5th standard. May I explain, sir? Verb. A verb express action or being. Example: eat, play, sleep, wash. Noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, things, or idea. Example: school, home, cat, car. Adjective. An adjective modifies and describes a noun or pronoun. Example. Example. Example: old, smart, big, tall. Adverb. An adverb describes a verb and adjective. It tells how, when, where. Example: carefully, slowly, well, today. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Example: he, she, we, us. Interjection. An interjection is a word which express some sudden feeling or emotion. Example: oh, wow, ouch, ups. Conjunction. A conjunction joins word or phrase in the sentence. Example: and, but, or, because. Preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to form a phrase modifying another word in the sentence. Example: by, with, about, until. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to my stall. My project name is types of angle. Acute angle,
greater than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle, greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Right angle, exactly 90 degree. Right angle, exactly 180 degree. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My topic name is State Capital. My name is S. Muhammad Salman. We can ask me in the random manner.
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan, Jaipur.
Assam.
Assam, Dispur.
Odisha.
Odisha, Bhubaneswar.
Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh, Simla.
Gujarat.
Gujarat, Gandhinagar.
West Bengal.
West Bengal, Kolkata.
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu, Chennai.